Hello, I wanted to make a short video on the use of your calculator. This is the TI-30XS Multiview. It will typically be a blue-greenish color and not pink. So the first thing we want to do is turn it on. The next thing I would suggest is you press mode. And you want to make sure your calculator is in math print. To get it, you can just move down, move over, and press enter. On this calculator, anytime you want to get back to the home screen, you can click second quit, and it will take you back to the home screen. One of the very useful features on this calculator is the table key. If you want to find the factors of 100, then type in 100 divided by x, press enter. Start means where do you want to start your table? I suggest you start at 0. Step is what do you want to count by? We want our table to start at 0 and count by ones. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So step is what do you want to count by? Auto means it will automatically fill the table. If you switch it to ask X, then you will put in the numbers for X. So we'll go down to OK and press enter. And here are the factors of 100. So 1 and 100, 2 and 50. And if you continue to scroll down, this will help you if you are factoring. So we're looking at integer values. So 10 and 10, maybe that's what we need for our factoring problem. Or 20 and 5. So once again, to find factors, you would go table, put in the number you want the factors of. So this time I'll put in 24 divided by x. Press enter. And now you'll notice the table says that it's going to start on 19. It's going to start where you last left off. So I'm going to clear that and type in 0. And then you can also just press enter to get to OK. And now we have the factors of 24. And you can scroll through the table. And you can also scroll up. If you are using this to factor and you need the factors of a negative number, I personally only put in the positive number and then I use mental math to figure it out. So for example, if I needed the factors of 24, I would type in my table 24 divided by x, and I would look through here, and 3 and 8, I can do some mental math. If I want 11, if I want 5, and I can figure out from my table whether I need positive or negative numbers for that middle term if I was factoring. All right, so one more time. If you want to find factors of a number, you go to table, you put the number in, you hit divided by x, press enter, and scroll through your table. The other thing I would like to show you is fractions. So if you have a fraction 8 over 16, and you want to simplify it, it's 1/2. If you want the decimal equivalent, the button above enter is a toggle switch. It will toggle between two different forms of the same answer. So you have a fraction or a decimal. If it's a decimal, it will turn it back to a fraction. It also is very useful for square roots. We'll get there in another video. The other important feature I'll show you on this calculator is the store feature. So if you're solving an equation and you have an answer of 4/5, type in the answer, store X, press enter. And then you can type in the equation with the X. So if the problem was 2X plus 7, type it in. Your calculator knows that you have stored 4/5 in for X, and press enter, and there's the answer. Another nice feature of this calculator, maybe you also had the answer of 5, so you can go 5 store X and press enter, and then you can go back up and highlight the equation and press enter, and it will substitute in your new number for X, and it will calculate it for you. That's all I have for now in this video. I'm sure when I can think of something else, I'll make another calculator video. Bye for now.